Hey Shopify merchants who want to turn off autopay for your Shopify subscription. Whether you're pausing your store or switching platforms, disabling autopay gives you control over your billing. So my friends, in order how to do this, as you can see, we need to head to settings, then plan, and then click deactivate store. So guys, we need to go to our settings. So this is my store, just a dummy store. So we go to plan. In here, as you can see, you can cancel the plan or cancel, in my case, it's trial, but in your case, it's going to be a certain plan that you've purchased. So that's basically how it's done. Disabling autopay will make sure that you're not charged for the next billing and you won't have to pay anymore. So this is the way you control it. Also, guys, do not forget that you can also view your subscriptions in the billing tab. You can see view all subscriptions. Click on here, and as you can see, I'm at trial and I need to choose a plan. If you already have a plan, you just cancel it out here and you have successfully opted out of the paid subscription. Guys, enjoy the video, like and subscribe, see you in the next one.